Hello everyone, for today's recipe I'll be making peanut brittle Nkate cake, as it's called in Ghana. It's one of my favorite childhood snacks, and I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Very simple with few ingredients. I have here 2 cups of raw peanuts and 1 cup of sugar. So very easy with these 2 ingredients. So I'll transfer the peanuts on the baking tray, and I've already preheated my oven to about 160 degrees, and I'll be roasting the peanuts for 10 to 15 minutes. I've been roasting for about 6 minutes, and I'll be roasting it for another 10 minutes. Now I'll take it out and let it rest for another 5 minutes to cool down. Next, I'll go ahead and rub it with my palm and remove the skin, because we don't need the skin with it. And what I'm doing here, I'm allowing the wind to blow off the skin until it's all done. So our peanut is now ready. I'm going to go ahead, I'm using spice blender, and I'm going to be crushing it, not very smooth, but like a breadcrumbs consistency. So I'll gently press it for a few minutes. Until I get the right consistency. Yes, so this is the consistency I'm looking for. Not too smooth. Next, I'll transfer it into a bowl and I'll set it aside. Now another thing I do is to prepare my chopping board ready, because everything gets fast once you start melting the sugar. So I'm spraying my chopping board with some canola oil and I'll set it aside. Next, I'm going to melt the sugar until it's caramelized on a low heat. And once the sugar is melted, you just go ahead and add in the peanuts and stir it very quickly. And once it's all combined, you turn off the heat to prevent it from burning. Next, I'll transfer it on the chopping board and I'll let it cool for a few minutes. I'll now go ahead and spray the rolling pin with canola oil. The reason for this is to not let the peanuts stick on the rolling pin. Now I'll gently roll the peanuts flat, not too thin, not too thick. Yes, for about an inch. And once you finish rolling, just go ahead and cut it before it starts to get hard at this point. So as you can see, I'm cutting it very fast because it gets hard very quickly. And now you can cut it to your preferred shape. And at this point, our Ghana Nkate cake is ready. It tastes so delicious and very simple to make. I remember growing up back in the school, we used to eat this snack a lot after school. And you see all these food vendors waiting outside the school So that's how everyone will buy and enjoy. Very, very delicious. And if you think you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe. And thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.